Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular models, the Antarctic Star and the Aeitto. Both machines promise to deliver ice quickly, but they come with different features and price points. The Antarctic Star is an affordable option, producing 8 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making it perfect for home use, parties, and travel. On the other hand, the Aeitto offers a slightly faster production rate of 9 cubes in the same time frame, along with some premium features like dual viewing windows and a sleek design. Let's dive deeper into their specifications and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to price, the Antarctic Star is a clear winner at just $69, making it an excellent budget option for those who need a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. In contrast, the Aeitto comes in at a premium price of $199.99, which raises the question, does the additional cost justify the features it offers? Let's explore further. Both machines boast impressive ice production capabilities, with the Antarctic Star producing 8 cubes in 6 minutes, and the Aeitto slightly edging ahead with 9 cubes in the same time. This difference may seem minor, but for those who frequently entertain or need ice on demand, every cube counts. Let's see how this impacts their overall performance. In terms of design, the Antarctic Star is compact and portable, perfect for travel and small spaces, while the Aeitto features a modern aesthetic with dual viewing windows that allow users to monitor the ice-making process. Additionally, the Aeitto includes an auto-cleaning function, adding convenience for users who prioritize hygiene. Let's take a closer look at how these features enhance user experience. In conclusion, both the Antarctic Star and Aeitto ice makers have their unique strengths. The Antarctic Star offers exceptional value for those on a budget, while the Aeitto provides advanced features and faster ice production for a higher price. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and how much you're willing to invest in an ice maker. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.